Alright, so here we have the 2024 carrier just got starting up in the rain. This is going to be a startup shutdown. A little bit of thunderstorm, so here it is. LG scroll. As you can see, it's very viney. It's from 2024 and it's a 3-ton. May of 2024. There, it's kind of raining, so you can hear the water in there. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Starting up from that bedroom window. I might get a startup shutdown as well. So yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. And over and out. Let's get the shutdown now.